What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to go to a Saab meetup and we're going to drive to Tortilla Flat. It'll be a fun little back road and it'll be nice to meet some of these people that I've been talking to for probably over a year now. So yeah, let's go. Now I know this isn't a Saab, it's a Chevy Malibu, but it does share the same chassis, the Ellipson chassis, and most of the same suspension parts. So technically it's based off a Saab. I just wanted to go, I've always wanted to go to one of these and meet the people, and I think it would be really fun.
Taking notes up here, dude.
Yeah, that's from the previous week.
Cruising along, almost to Tortilla Flat. We have officially made it to Tortilla Flat.
It sound right, boys.
All right, that's going to conclude the Saab meet video. And overall, it was really cool. Really nice to meet everyone that I've been talking to online. Everyone is so nice and such a cool community. And all the cars were really cool too. The Malibu actually handled really well. I hadn't pushed it that hard before and it did great, like really good. And it is the same chassis as the NG93. So it was keeping up with some of those, but yeah, overall it was very nice day to be doing this as well. That's our miles per gallon for the trip. Car's running good, no issues.